From the towering redwoods of California, where the ancient trees stand as silent sentinels of time, to the eucalyptus forests of Australia with their unique flora and fauna, fire is a natural force that has shaped our planet for millennia. These ecosystems have evolved with fire, relying on it for regeneration and growth, but as our climate changes and temperatures rise, wildfires are becoming increasingly frequent and intense, posing a significant threat to both human life and the delicate balance of nature. The once predictable fire seasons are now longer and more severe, leading to unprecedented destruction. Protecting yourself from a forest fire requires preparation, awareness, and quick action. It's crucial to have an emergency plan in place. Know the evacuation routes and stay informed through reliable sources. Here are steps you can take to protect yourself, your property, and your loved ones from forest fires. Create a defensible space around your home by clearing flammable vegetation. Have an emergency kit ready and practice evacuation drills regularly. Stay vigilant and be prepared to act swiftly when a fire threatens. In the face of an approaching wildfire, knowledge is our first line of defense. We must remain vigilant, constantly monitoring local fire alerts and weather reports. Fire warnings, often issued through local authorities' apps or radio, provide crucial updates on fire activity and potential risks. Specialized fire apps, such as those from FEMA, the Red Cross, or local government agencies, offer a wealth of information, including real-time fire maps, evacuation routes, and emergency protocols. Our homes, often seen as sanctuaries, can be vulnerable to the onslaught of a wildfire. Creating a defensible space around our homes is paramount. Clearing brush, dead vegetation, and flammable materials within a 30-foot radius creates a buffer zone, slowing the fire's advance. Trimming trees and shrubs, especially dead branches, further reduces fuel for the fire. Installing fire-resistant materials such as metal or tile roofing and siding provides an added layer of protection. Cleaning gutters regularly prevents the accumulation of flammable debris. In the event of a wildfire, an emergency kit can be our lifeline. This kit should contain essential items such as water, medications, a first aid kit, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio, important documents, and non-perishable food. Protective gear, including long sleeves, pants, and sturdy shoes, shields us from the intense heat and flying embers. 95 masks, crucial for protecting our lungs from harmful smoke, should also be included. Chapter 4. The Evacuation Plan, a choreographed escape. A well-rehearsed evacuation plan is essential for a safe and timely departure. Knowing multiple escape routes and a designated meeting point ensures that everyone in the household is prepared. Keeping a vehicle fueled and ready for immediate departure is crucial. If you live in a wildfire-prone area, consider having emergency evacuation bags for all family members packed and ready to go. Chapter 5. When fire strikes, navigating the inferno. During a wildfire, the situation can change rapidly. The flames can spread at an alarming rate, driven by wind and dry conditions. What seems like a safe distance can quickly become a danger zone. If an evacuation order is issued, it is imperative to leave immediately without hesitation. Time is of the essence, and every second counts. Gather your emergency kit, important documents, and pets, and head to the designated evacuation center. Delaying evacuation can have dire consequences. The fire can overtake your home, leaving you with no safe way out. The aftermath of a wildfire can be devastating, with homes reduced to ashes and lives forever changed. If evacuation is not necessary, staying indoors, closing windows and doors, and turning on air conditioning on recirculate mode can help keep smoke out. This can provide a temporary refuge from the hazardous air quality outside. If you must evacuate, avoid roads with heavy smoke and low visibility, as wildfires can shift direction quickly. Driving through smoke can be disorienting and dangerous, increasing the risk of accidents. Always follow official evacuation routes. These routes are chosen for their safety and accessibility, and straying from them can lead to dangerous situations. Stay informed through local news and emergency services for updates. In the unfortunate event of being trapped, fire shelters, specially designed to protect from extreme heat and smoke, can be deployed. These shelters can be life-saving, providing a last line of defense against the encroaching flames. Protecting your breathing with a wet cloth or N95 mask is crucial in smoke-filled environments. Smoke inhalation can cause serious health issues, and taking these precautions can help reduce the risk. Always prioritize your safety and the safety of your loved ones during a wildfire. Chapter 6. The Aftermath. Returning to the ashes. After a wildfire, the danger is not over. It is essential to wait for official clearance before returning home. Once cleared, inspect your property for any smoldering embers or fire damage, exercising caution around unstable structures or fallen trees. Wildfire smoke can linger for days, so staying hydrated and remaining indoors if the air quality is poor is crucial. Chapter 7. United, we stand. Community action for fire safety. Protecting our communities from wildfires requires a collective effort. Volunteering for fire prevention programs, supporting the creation of fire breaks, and reporting suspicious activity are all vital contributions. Fire breaks, cleared areas that act as barriers, can help slow or stop the spread of fire. Reporting any signs of arson or suspicious behavior to local authorities is crucial in preventing human-caused fires. A shared responsibility. Wildfires, a force of nature both awe-inspiring and destructive, are a stark reminder of our planet's power. These natural events can reshape entire landscapes in a matter of hours, leaving behind a trail of destruction that can take years to recover from, and our own vulnerability. By being proactive, staying informed, and understanding the risks, we can take steps to protect ourselves and our communities. Education is key. Knowing how to prevent fires and what to do in case of an emergency can make all the difference. And having a solid plan in place, you can greatly reduce your risk. This includes creating an emergency kit, having an evacuation plan, and participating in community fire drills. These actions not only help protect you, but also contribute to the safety of your entire community and improve your ability to stay safe during a forest fire. Remember, we are all stewards of this planet, and our actions have a direct impact on the environment. Clearing vegetation around your home and using fire-resistant materials can make a significant difference, and by working together, we can mitigate the risks. Community efforts in rebuilding and reforestation are crucial. Volunteering to plant trees and restore habitats not only helps the environment, but also strengthens community bonds and protect ourselves, our loved ones, and the natural world. Enjoying nature responsibly and promoting fire-resilient landscapes are steps we can all take. From the devastating effects of wildfires, together, through awareness, preparation, and community action, we can create a safer, more resilient world for future generations.